This is a Bold Island, the shopping area, and it's golf carts only here. So this is the parking. So you buy your groceries, put them in your golf cart. Beautiful in here. This moss. I love this handicap parking for golf carts. This is the main grocery store, Maritime Market. Looks excellent. A little pricey, but really, really good stuff. Just wander around here.
Some days there's a line of 8 or 10 people, so you never know.
It's a bona fide golf cart community. Look at this super duper one. I think there's more golf carts here than people. What's over here? Candy Kids Party Shop. That bird is certainly loud. Spa, salon, yoga. Of course, vacation rentals. Another golf cart. Phone booth. More clothes. Looks like they're building something over there. Another golf cart. So this is what vacation places with golf carts look like. And on that note,